Hey, Susan Berkley here with the Inside Voiceover Video Training Blog. Today we're going to talk about auditions and how many you're losing at the moment of truth. So here's the deal, and it's kind of unfortunate, but it's true. People listening to your auditions are going to make a decision within the first 5 seconds. And that decision is going to be whether they even listen to the entire audition before they just click next. So let's talk about some things that you always want to check. Now, the first is your audio quality. If it's not broadcast quality, you are out of there. So you really need to make sure that you understand your home studio and you can produce broadcast quality audio. Really should sound professional. Number two is if you have an announcer voice, if you don't sound natural. If they're noticing your voice, something is wrong. In fact, when we perform a voiceover, we should be so convincing that they're just forming images in their mind about the subject that we're talking about and not even paying any attention to our voice at all, which is why you get training, what we teach you how to do at our programs. The next thing is if you sound like you're reading the script, same deal. You're going to sound like an announcer, you're out of there. Or you don't have any relationship with the listener. There's always someone on the other side of the microphone. So you have to make that connection to be real and believable. You might be too tense. Make sure you always relax before you get on the microphone. And finally, you have no point of view. So where's this spot coming from? Where are you? Are you in the action? Are you outside the action? Who are you in relationship to the copy? So these are all things that you really need to master to get out there and book those auditions. And I hope this has been helpful. I'm Susan Berkley, back next week with more Inside Voiceover.